So in this video, we are going to learn the reduction formula for the cos function. Okay. So we have previously discussed the sine function. Here we are going to learn the cos function. So it's in, where n value depends on the question, whatever they are giving, the power of the cos function. Okay. Cos power n x dx. So this is equal to cos n minus 1 x sin x divided by n plus n minus 1 by n into I n minus 2. Only change between the sine and cos function, you can observe that these two functions has been interchanged. Okay, there it was minus sine n minus 1x into cos x. Here it is cos n minus x into sine x. That is the only thing. There we had minus sign also. Only changes that. So you can remember easily. Next, we'll go for the first question. So in the first question here, it is given that n value we got to understood that it is equal to what? 6. So I need to find I6, which is equal to, in place of n I have to substitute 6. So the formula becomes cos n minus 1. 6 minus 1 is 5 x into sine x is there, whole divided by n value is 6. Okay, plus n minus 1, 6 minus 1, which is 5, divided by n value is 6 into I n minus 2. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Okay, now here we need to understand I4, we need to find, right? I4. So what is I4? I4 we need to calculate separately, then substitute back here. So n value becomes 4. So I need to substitute in the same formula, right? So cos n minus 1, 4 minus 1 is 3 into x into sine x whole divided by the n value is 4 plus n minus 1, which is 4 minus 1, 3 divided by 4 into I 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2 is 2. So again there is a problem that I2 has come. Now I2, again I need to find out I2. Yes, you need to find I2. So I2 becomes what? Again you have to substitute n value as 2. So cos n minus 1, so 2 minus 1 is 1. So it becomes cos x into sin x whole divided by 2. N value is 2. So plus 2 minus 1 is 1 by 2 into I. 2 minus 2 is 0. So I0. So again I0 has come. Okay. So I0 has come. Now remember one thing. Whenever you're getting n value as 0 and 1, directly you can get the answer. No need to go for the formula. Formula which is nothing but this formula. Don't substitute here n value is 0 and 1. Because direct formula you are having for 0 and 1. For example, here we already studied. Suppose cos x is they are asking integration. It is nothing but what? Sin x. Directly we know. Here power 1 is there. Right? If I say cos 0, power 0 is there. Directly, now need to substitute in the reduction formula. Directly it is 1 and dx. So it becomes what? X as the answer. The same logic here. Okay. So I0 becomes what? The cos, integration of cos 0 x dx, which becomes integration of 1 dx, which is equal to x. So here we need to be careful that whenever getting I0 and I1, directly in the indefinite integral we have to substitute and get the answer. Okay. So everything is done. All the values we calculated. Now these three values I4, I2 and I0 I need to substitute and bring it back to this form. This will be the final answer, right? The I6 will be the final answer. So I6 becomes, in place of I4 you have to substitute this entire thing. Put one bracket, then you substitute. Again I2 value I need to substitute this entire thing. Again put one bracket. Now I0 value I need to substitute this value, which is x. So bracket is done. Okay, so everything is done. So bracket is very important because that constant value has to be multiplied, right? So now simplification. Now 5 by 6 has to be multiplied inside. So be careful, 5 by 6 will be multiplied, the entire equation 5 by 6 has to be multiplied. Before that 3 by 4 you multiply and keep. Okay, so this becomes plus c is very important. This is the integration constant. So this will be the final answer. Okay.